Now that you understand what Mately is, let's talk about your first test. Your new member kit contains a saliva collection swab as well as other devices needed to collect your sample. Remember, Mately won't process your first test until we have your DNA on file, so make sure to send everything at once using the return envelope provided in your new member kit. As a new member, it's important that we identify your true HIV status. To do this, we perform a couple of different HIV tests. The first test is an antibody test, which will detect a chronic or existing HIV infection. This is important because individuals with an undetectable viral load will have HIV antibodies in their system, which will be detected by our first test. The second test is an early detection HIV viral load test, which will detect a new infection where HIV-reactive antibodies may not yet have formed. Mately is the only testing service that offers early detection HIV testing as standard, which means a shorter window period than standard HIV antibody tests. As an existing member, you will automatically receive a kit in the mail from Mately based upon how often you elected to be tested. You can change the frequency of your testing at any time, and you can also order a kit whenever you need one through the app. So, how do you submit your samples and how does Mately know it's you? Remember, we have your DNA on file, so we will always confirm that the samples you send us belong to you before we begin testing. This is how we ensure that nobody can cheat our system. Sending your sample to Mately is as simple as following the instructions provided in the kit. We only need a few drops of blood which are collected using a simple and virtually pain-free finger prick device, and there are no visible needles involved. Don't worry, we hate needles too. Also, provide us with a urine sample, collect it in the cup provided, and then use the syringe to transfer a small amount to the collection tube. Seal it, and you're all set. Simply close and place the devices into the prepaid mailbag pouch, add the mailing label provided, and send it via regular mail to Mately. Should any issues arise during the testing process, our physicians will contact you and are available to address your questions. Thanks for choosing Mately. We won't let you down.